Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today I wanted to create a quick video of an unboxing video of the Microsoft Surface Precision mouse that was released like 2 months ago. I'm pretty sure Microsoft released this to the public, and they showed it off like 3 months ago in October. So uh, let's get started with this quick unboxing. So as you already saw, I already took out the tape because to make it really easy for the video, and so I wouldn't have to struggle in front of the camera. So this will be my first time seeing it. So that's it. Pretty simple, easy. So there it is. It looks really nice. I like the white color, kind of grayish. But yeah, it looks really nice. So let's take this guy out. Place him here. And then what else we have here is more box, more cardboard, and I think in here we have some wirings and some manuals, I'm pretty sure. So I was right, we have a micro USB to connect the mouse to the PC if you want to. It's wireless, so you don't really have to if you don't want to, but to charge it, of course. And then of course manual stuff and safety and stuff, all that stuff, explaining things as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That all comes in the box. Pretty simple, quick little unboxing video of the new Microsoft Precision mouse. I will be doing a video review of this mouse, and so stay tuned for that in a few days or maybe in a few hours. So we'll see you guys later. Peace.